Magandang gabi po sa kanila lahat. Kahit po yung mga tagahanga ko, ito po malapit na ipatawag ni Lord. Maraming salamat po sa lahat. Magpamangkiling at tatangkiling pa sa pelikulang Pilipino. Sa aking mga magulang, sa aking pamilya, at sa lahat ng mga magagawa na pelikulang Pilipino para sa iyo. Salamat.
Her acting history is decorated as some of her contemporaries. Her influence also on Philippine television and film cannot be overlooked. From playing the iconic villain Clara to transitioning into adult roles, Gladys is a true testament to the power of longevity and versatility in the entertainment industry. She remains a key figure in Philippine entertainment. Famous child icon of Philippine cinema, Gladys Reyes.
Lahat po lang hindi official, sa likod po tayo.
Again, Julian, of course, Claudine, up to my sis, Vice, imagine, and hanggang sa mga new breed of actors po ngayon, maraming salamat po sa industriyang ito na hanggang ngayon po ay minamahal at niyayakap ako. Maraming salamat po sa FAMAS Awards. Thank you so much po. And of course, maraming salamat, Panginoon. Thank you po.
Standing as one of the most iconic actors in the Philippines, known as Madette De Leon's transition from a child icon to a respected actress is an inspiring story. Her career began as a child actress, but evolved into a long, successful run as a character actress in adult roles. She helped pave the way for future generations of Filipino child stars, and her early recognition through a FAMAS nomination marked the start of a long-lasting career. Even though her early acting history was marked by nominations rather than wins, Madette's contribution to Philippine cinema has been widely acknowledged. FAMAS child icon of Philippine cinema, Madette. Sigera first captured the public's attention at the tender age of 6 when he appeared on the 1987 TV talent show Eat Bulaga as a child performer. His soulful voice and ability to sing with such maturity for his age quickly made him a household name. He was soon casted in films and television shows where he became a prominent child star. His journey from a child star to a music icon is an inspiring tale of growth, reinvention, and staying true to one's artistic passions. While he is now best known for his music career, his childhood contributions to Philippine film and television remain a significant part of his legacy. Ice remains an enduring figure in Filipino pop culture, loved by fans for his acting, his singing, and his personal story. FAMAS child icon of Philippine cinema, Ice Sigera.
Magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. Thank you po, FAMAS, and thank you for using the right pronouns. I really appreciate it. I want to thank my wife, Lisa, and my family and my friends kay Tito Sen, kay Tito Joey, at kay Tito Vic, Eat Bulaga, and Okay Cafelico family, Mr. Tuviera, Tita Malucho of Agar, Mother Lily of Regal Films, MZ at lahat po ng mga producers na kumuha po sa akin, sa mga direktor ko po at lahat po ng mga artistang nakasama ko. Marami po akong natutunan sa inyo na dala-dala ko po hanggang ngayon. Sa akin pong eskwelahan, na awarded din kanina, maraming salamat dahil natulungan niyo akong pagsabayan ng pag-aaral at ang pag-arte. At sa mga press po at sa mga fans na mula po noon at hanggang ngayon ay tumatangkilik pa rin, maraming salamat po. At higit sa lahat, ang award na ito ay idinededicate ko sa aking nanay at tatay. Maraming salamat sa inyo dahil kundi dahil sa inyo, wala ako dito. At lahat ng tinuro niyo sa akin ay nasa puso ko. I hope I make you proud every day. Maraming salamat po.
Is celebrated in versatile actress in Philippine.
Almost 4 decades in the industry, I still love this world. Hindi siya madaling mahalin, hindi rin siya mahirap mahalin. Mahirap lang manatili sa industriya ito kung hindi ka totoo. So this recognition, I would like to offer this to each directors and producers na nagtiwala sa akin bata ako. From Direk Argel Joseph, Direk Emil Cruz na nagbuo ng Mara Clara, kung paano nabuo ang pamamahalan ng tandem namin ni Gladys. To Mother Lily, for my first manager, Jess Osida, Tito Alfie, Subalangit Tuwa, marami naman kaming pinagdaanan na pag-aaway, malaki ang inulong niya sa akin. To my network, ABS-CBN, The Cory, Mang Charo, Star Cinema, everyone, each and everyone na nakasama ko po sa industriya ko, sila ang naging dahilan kung bakit nandito pa rin ako hanggang ngayon. Sila ang bumuo sa akin at habang buhay ko po, ipagpapasalamat ang lahat ng pinagdaanan ko sa industriya. Hanggang ngayon, mahal ko pa rin ang industriya ang kinalakihan. Salamat.
Congratulations to the night. Wow. Congratulations to all our famous child.
Magandang gabi po. Ako po si Gabby Ramos. Nung isang taon po nanalo po ang Huling Sayaw ni Erlinda sa Best Famous Short Film. Makalipas po noon, napag-usapan po namin na bakit hindi magkaroon ng sariling festival ang short film. Kaya naman po nalika ang Famous Short Film Festival na ginawa noong Mayo 2024. Ang gabi pong ito ay hindi ko gabi, sapagkat sa araw mong yun ay nahiram din namin ang kauna-unahang Famous Short Film Picture, Best Picture, at ang first Famous Short Film Documentary. Kaya po naman, isinishare ko ang gabing ito sa mga unang anak ng Famous Short Film Festival, si Direk Gail Oblea, para sa kanyang pelikulang As the Moth Prize, at ang ating pong Best Famous Documentary na si Kyle at na si Emir Bautista para sa kanyang documentary ng No Man Left Behind. Pagin lang pong 3 seconds para makapag